Hello, my name is Nelson Mills. I'm a forester here on the Sawtooth National Forest and a resource advisor assigned to the Wapiti Fire. A resource advisor is somebody who works directly with fire suppression crews to make sure that the natural resources we have out here are protected so that we don't do more damage than what is necessary to protect those resources. So resource advisors, you'll find us on the front lines of the fire working directly with those crews. A lot of times you'll see us hiking around with bulldozers or behind those aircraft that are dropping retardant or doing water drops. Places where firefighters are collecting water, pump sites, dip sites, things like making sure that where the water is being drafted from doesn't affect where fish are spawning. Where the bulldozer line is coming through, it's not going to go through an archaeological site. Because I've been a Forest Service timber sale administrator for a number of years, I'm coming out with my background in how logging equipment works and how to design the most effective indirect line, working with those fire crews and heavy equipment bosses to build fire line with this harvesting equipment. We're cutting down large trees. These trees carry crown fire, and we're building places where we can control the spread of fire with logging equipment. And then the other piece of equipment I'm working with out here is called a processor. It's a excavator body that has a head that cuts trees into logs that can then be later loaded on a log truck. The end product is a small deck of timber. We use some of these decks of timber for rehab purposes. Some of them, if we're able to, we sell to local timber industry as a byproduct of this work. And a lot of it as well we offer to the public as firewood to collect. So yes, there are byproducts of this. The main objective of this is to provide a fire line that can prevent the spread of fire through a forest. So resource advisors generally come from a lot of natural resource backgrounds. Like I've said before, I'm a forester. We have resource advisors who are fisheries biologists, archaeologists, foresters, rangeland managers, wildlife biologists, you name it. All of our resource specialties we bring to the field. Me personally, I've done some wildland firefighting before becoming a resource advisor, and it's really helped me in the communication with the fire crews. And again, my natural resource background really helps me understand that big why of what we're protecting out here.